Good morning. We're going to focus on latches today. If you look at this door, it has a standard push type of latch in it. The latch is binding up and someone put it in with Cherry Max rivets. So very bad. If you're on the line and you run into this, you're looking at disaster. More in a minute. The cool thing about doing these latches is if you look at the back of it, this is the latch, this is steel, this is aluminum, of course. So you don't have to keep this perfect to get these rivets out. So we're going to take a cutoff wheel and take out the backs of the Cherry Max so that we can pop them out the front rather than trying to drill them from the front, which you're almost absolutely going to destroy the metal. So we're going to cut these out and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, as you can see, I've ground down the backs of the rivets till they're flush. So now I'm going to take a center punch and punch them forward through the gear door, which will give us the best chance for a good result when we put the new rivets in. Be right back. All right, so we have the latch off. As you can see, the hole integrity is perfect. We did scratch up the back of the plate, but who cares? It's garbage. So now you have the shanks of the Cherry Max holding into the panel here like grim death. So I'm gonna have to punch those through without harming the metal, and then we'll take a look. I'll be right back. All right, as you can see, we have the rivets out of it. We have maintained the hole integrity. There's no damage to the plate. And there's not even a scratch on the back taking the rivets out. You know, you may look at this and go, wow, that's just a simple latch replacement, but I guarantee you a lot of people screw these up. Talk to you in a minute. All right, we missed a step, but the latches are installed and it went perfectly. I'll make another video tomorrow showing the actual installation of the rivets, but I just wanted you to see the finished product. And the back of it, the bucktails are perfect. So that's this job. See you in a minute.